Hey friends, this is Atif Well, and welcome to the new bit on YFI token. For the past several months, YFI token was moving inside this horizontal channel, and while moving inside this horizontal channel, the price then formed different other bullish bias patterns. Like first, it broke out this smaller down channel, then formed another falling wedge pattern, then broke it out as well. We had a long spike, then got stuck inside in another falling wedge pattern, and recently we have broken out this wedge, and I was telling you that the target for the breakout from this wedge will be here at the top of the channel, at the top of the wedge, by the way, not the channel. That was approximately at $11,240. Over there, we have a quite long-term resistance of this horizontal channel as well. And by the way, this $11,240 has been previously breaking at the resistance here, and again worked at the resistance here. And this time we broke out this resistance, but we got rejected by this long-term resistance zone. That starts from $14,200 and goes to $15,955. This resistance zone has been previously working as a very strong resistance zone here in the month of August, July 2022, in fact. And then we got rejection here in the month of November 2023, and recently the price and it's once again rejected. And a few hours ago, when I shared my last video with you, it was moving above this resistance. If you take a look at the daily time frame chart, then it will be more visible. You can see that in the previous daily candlestick, price and was moving above this resistance, but again, it is moved down and we have broken down this support. However, this is a quite long-term resistance, therefore we need to keep an eye on the weekly time frame chart within next few hours when this weekly candlestick will be closed. It depends on the closing on the candlestick, and if it will be closed above this resistance, then we can expect that we may see some price accumulation above this resistance, and then it may try to break out their next resistance zone. Or if we will have the closing below this resistance, then we can drop down at this next long-term support of $8,000. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this very, very massive breakout that has happened on the 7 days time frame chart from this big and long-term down channel as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of November 2024 in the video description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for ion layer, you just need to click here and it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 29th of November 2024. And here you can also watch the complete trade signal as well. Like this was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let me to take you to the live chart of YFI token. And this is the 7 days time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several months, it is forming different bullish bias patterns and breaking them out. Like previously I was showing with this down channel, this smaller down channel. And we broke out this channel at the same time, by the way, the price and also broke out the bigger down channel as well, because the same resistance of the bigger down channel was also breaking as a resistance for this smaller down channel. And after that, I was telling you that target will be here at the top of the channel at $11,240. And you can see that the price got rejected by this resistance, because at the same level, we have a quite long-term resistance as well that was previously breaking at the resistance here. And again, it worked as a strong resistance, and the price and after the rejection got stuck inside in another falling wedge pattern. And after the breakout, again, I was telling you that target will be here at the top of the wedge at $11,240. This time the price had moved approximately up to $16,000, but got rejected by this long-term resistance zone that starts from $14,200 and goes to $15,955. And after the rejection, the price and got stuck inside in another falling wedge pattern. And this time, when the movement was quite squeezed inside this wedge, I was telling you that this is another bullish bias pattern. Therefore, soon we can expect another breakout from here. After the breakout, the target will be again here at the top of the wedge at $11,240. And you can see that the price and broke it out. But now, after the rejection by this resistance zone once again, that starts from $14,200 and goes to $15,955, approximately up to $16,000. The price and after the rejection again has re-entered the same horizontal channel. You can see that overall it was moving inside this very big and long-term horizontal channel. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then here you can see that sometimes the price line is moving above the resistance of this channel, and sometimes it is moving below this resistance of the channel. Right now, it is again moved down. However, this is a quite long-term resistance. Therefore, I would suggest you to wait for the price line to close above the resistance of the channel. For example, if we will have the closing above the resistance of the channel, then there will be a very high probability that soon we may see another attempt that the price line may try to break out this long-term resistance on that starts from $14,200 and goes to approximately up to $16,000. Now, if you take a look at the target for the breakout from this horizontal channel and technical target for the breakout from this channel will be here at this long-term resistance of $25,000. That was previously working at a resistance here and support here. And the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term down channel is here at the top of the channel. It is somewhere between $95,000 to $100,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I shared. Take care. Goodbye.